Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to go you through how to log into Investor's bank account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.myinvestorsbank.com and press the Anthony keyboard. This will take you to its official website, which looks like this. Now go ahead and click on the login button in the upper right corner right here. As you can see, simply give it a click and an expanded menu will appear. You can choose your account type from where you'd like to log into your account from the options, and once you do so, go ahead and enter your name in the text box. Now move on to the next field and type in your password. In case you've forgotten your user ID and your password, you can click on these links right here, right below the login boxes for your user ID. Click on Forgot User ID and follow the instructions to look for it. And in case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to enroll or create an account, click on this enroll link and follow the instructions to register. Once you type in all the credentials, you can simply click on the login button in order to log into Investor's bank account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till